In order to log out of your Twitter or X application on your mobile device, either it's Android or iOS, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, install your Twitter application on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Now tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of this screen. From here, click on Settings and Support and go to Settings and Privacy. Now go to My Account, then tap on your account information. In this section, you will see the option of Logout in the bottom that is highlighted in red color. Tap on it and then tap on Logout to confirm. You can see that you have been logged out of your account, and if you want to log back in, you can go ahead and continue with your Google account. Or beside that, tap on Login in the bottom and enter your phone or email address or username that is associated with your account. Tap on Next and enter your password and log into your account. Beside logging out from the app, you can directly tap and hold the application and tap on Uninstall and then tap on OK to completely remove the Twitter application on your phone and log out of your account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.